Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so happy that you guys stopped by today. Today's video, we will be cleaning my son's room, the kitchen, and the dining area. You guys, this room was a disaster. It looked like a tornado went through here. I could not believe it when I opened the door to his room this morning. My husband took the boys to work and I decided to go ahead and get cleaning. Just because my son's room did not get changed last Monday when I changed my sheets and then my stepkids' sheets. So yeah, I was just completely shocked. So I just decided to go ahead and clean it up. And then, like I said, the kitchen and the dining area. I hope this gives you guys motivation to get up and tackle something. And actually, after I finished, I felt super awesome, you guys. I just felt so much better going into the weekend with a clean home because everything else I had cleaned the day before. All that needed to be done was my son's room and then the kitchen and our dining area. And the only reason I'm doing his room today is because today is Friday and he will be going to his dad's for the weekend. So I kind of do this every single time when he goes, and then that way when he comes back home, he has a clean room. But I just, you guys, I'm still shocked at how disgusting it was. And the kids do pick up their rooms throughout the week, and I don't want you guys to think that the kids just leave the rooms like this every day and I'm doing this every day. No, my son does come home from school, and if his room was like this, he does pick him up, or he does pick it up. But today, like I said, today's Friday, and as soon as he gets off the bus, we have to go and meet his dad halfway in Georgia. So I decided to go ahead and do this, and I typically turn it into a video just because I know it's going to be a mess. But today was the biggest mess I've ever seen in this room, you guys. But like I said, I hope this gives you guys some motivation to tackle your space or anything you need to clean. I also will be sharing some products, and I'll talk to you guys throughout the video about those. It's not a lot. It's just, I think, maybe 2 products, I believe. So I have been trying Dollar Tree cleaning products, not all of them, just some. Like right there you saw my Mrs. Meyer's. I still use that, but there are some. For example, you're going to see me use their window cleaner, and then I think I've used their sponges. But just in this video, for the purpose of this video, you're going to see the window cleaner, the sponge, and I think that is it. I don't think I use anything else. But I have been using their products for a week now, and I just kind of wanted to test them out. I've seen other YouTubers talk about their cleaning products, so I wanted to do a test myself, especially with that window cleaner, because I am a Windex girl. No one's going to change my mind. I don't even like the Method window cleaner. It leaves streaks. You guys, I use Windex on all my windows and all the mirrors, but I love using the Windex with vinegar in it. I feel like that just gives it a better shine, I guess. I don't know. But I have heard and seen everyone talk about this Dollar Tree foam window cleaner, so I had to try it, and you guys, I was impressed. I actually do like it, and for $1 you can't beat it. I think I will be using it here in a second. But it's basically a foam, and you spray it, and it's foamy. You leave it on there. So what I do is I spray it, leave it on for a minute or two, and then you have to actually wipe it down with a cloth and then go back over it with a dry cloth. So I mean, it does say you can use a paper towel, but I would not recommend using a paper towel. I don't know. I didn't like how it left the mirror. So here it is. This is it. So like I said, you just spray it on there and let it foam up. And then, like I said, I took a cloth. Well, I used a microfiber cloth and wiped it down. And then I went ahead and used a dry one. And you guys, it does leave it streak free. And that's what I look for when I clean my windows or my mirrors. I actually tried this in our bathroom on our mirrors. My husband had a lot of like toothpaste splatter, and it was just a bunch of stains on the mirror. And oh my gosh, you guys, this thing worked amazing, and I am completely shocked. For $1, this product totally works. Y'all need to try it if you haven't. Like I said, I am a Windex person, and Windex can get very expensive depending on where you buy it. I've paid up to $4 for one bottle of Windex, and this Dollar Tree product really, really, really worked, you guys. Alright guys, and here I am putting up the sheets from the kids' bedroom that I washed the other day, and oh my gosh, you guys, I love the way my linen closet looks. I did this video, I can't even remember, maybe a month ago, maybe a few weeks ago, I'm not sure, but I just love the way it is, the way it's organized. It is just so easy for me to put up their sheets. Look how simple, you guys. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. Hi guys, and here is something that I wanted to share with you. So I love essential oils, and I love putting it, I have an oil diffuser, and I also have other places I use this, but that's going to be another video for y'all. I'm going to share that with you, but today I wanted to share this with y'all. So I normally take a few, I'll put a few drops in the filter whenever we change it. Here I did a little bit more than a few just because I love the vanilla scent, but you guys, you put this in here and you can definitely smell it throughout the house. This works great. They do sell, I know Home Depot sells things to put in your air filter, but you can also use the essential oils and it works just fine. Alright you guys, and these bags right here have all the cleaning products that I purchased and that I have been trying. That is just a few in there, but I have more in my closet that I have been trying throughout the week. But like I said, I'm going to review all those for you guys, and I'm going to do a video on that. I'm excited about it, but I do want to mention that I am not changing my cleaning products to Dollar Tree. I am just testing them out just because I am a Dollar Tree person, but I typically go to Dollar Tree for crafting. That's where I get all my crafts and what I turn I did a lot of Christmas DIYs with Dollar Tree items. That's the only reason I go there. But I saw another YouTuber and she did a video on Dollar Tree cleaning products, and I was surprised. And then I went and I kind of searched, and there's a lot of videos out there, so I decided to try it myself. So I bought okay, let me rephrase that. I bought products that in my opinion would work. Now there are some, like for example the scent boosters. I saw the video where one of the YouTubers bought it and it ruined her clothes. They didn't work. But stuff like that I wouldn't use personally, just because I have sensitive skin. I am sensitive to everything, so I would not put a product that costs $1 on any of my clothes or on my face, like makeup and stuff like that. There's no way that I would buy at the Dollar Tree. Me specifically, I have to use a certain type of brand on my face because I have perioral dermatitis and I will break out in red bumps. So with that being said, all the products that I am trying from the Dollar Tree are products that are just all cleaning products. They're nothing to do with laundry or detergent or anything of that nature, and they're products that I found use for. So the only thing I didn't buy were, like I said, the scent boosters and the laundry, and then I think they have like a Drano or something like for plumbing, and then there was another one. Oh, their window cleaner. I did try that one, the foam one, but there's another one. Just, it looks, I guess it's like their wannabe Windex or something, I don't know. But that one, I already saw reviews on that and that does not work. But I did buy products that I felt were going to work, so I can't wait to try them. And they're not a lot of products, you guys. It's just a few, maybe, I want to say maybe 5, I think. I'm not sure. I forget. I brought a lot of stuff. So, but anyways, right here, I started cleaning this microwave with a microfiber cloth and I didn't realize what I was doing. So I switched and got a paper towel. I don't even know why I did that, you guys. I don't know where my head was. Alright guys, and here is another product that I want to share too. It is their sponges. I do buy the Dollar Tree sponges. I also buy the Scotch-Brite brand, and honestly guys, they all work the same for me. That is one of the products that that I am testing and reviewing, and I think the sponges work great, whether it be for dishes or whether it be for scrubbing your stove, your oven. I think these work amazing. Alright guys, I just want to mention too that I am very, very picky when it comes to my cleaning products, even as far as the dish soap. So right there I have Dawn. I only use Dawn. You've probably seen it in all my videos. The only problem I have, that is the yellow one, and I bought that at Sam's Club. It came in a pack of 3. Now I will be 100% honest, I don't care for it. I feel like the only Dawn soap or dish soap that I will be using from now on is just the blue one, only because I just felt like these other ones, like this yellow one, lemon, I don't even know what scent it is, I don't think that it cuts the grease or kills the grease or cleans the grease as well as the blue one. So the blue one has always been my go-to, but yeah, even, I mean, this is Dawn, it's a good brand, but I don't like it. I don't care for it. I feel like I have to use more soap than I would if I use the blue soap, the Dawn blue soap. So yeah, so I'm just very, when it comes to the cleaning products, you guys, I have to have not the best of the best, but I have to have something that I know is going to work. And I mean, it's like I said, this is a Dawn brand, and I just don't think, what is it that they have in there saying? I don't think it cuts the grease, you guys. Alright you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave y'all some motivation to get up and tackle a space in your room, your kitchen, your room, your bathroom, whatever it may be. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe down below. And you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!